welcome back to my channel. It's me, London here. And this is the London gist. So if you want to know more about this hair that I'm rocking, stay tuned. Welcome back. And actually, so just let's dive right into it. I'm not gonna ramble on and on and on. The hair I'm gonna be reviewing is actually this one I'm rocking right now. Alright, this is the hair I'm gonna be reviewing. Okay, so this is the hair. This is the pack. It's not really fancy or anything like that. So it says here, this is a lace front wig, and the lace is really soft. I love it because those other laces are really hard and just scratch. I don't know. I don't deal with laces like that. So anytime I try to get lace front wigs, I always make sure I check the type of lace it comes with, because that's a huge difference. And the more high-end synthetic hairs come with really nice soft Swiss lace, you know, type of shenanigan. Okay, the cheaper ones, you know, low end comes with the really hard like blade that can, you know, cut your scalp. You know, it's really uncomfortable, but this is really comfortable, okay. And it says here it's premium high heat fiber, okay, and it's safe heat styling, so you can put a flat iron on this flat iron. English is not my first language, jeez. Iron on this, okay. You can put flat iron on this. And what else? The color of this hair I'm wearing is actually TT blonde on here. TT blonde. All right. Yes. And this is by Bobbi Boss. Okay, Bobbi Boss be making some good hair. All right. So anyway, this video is not sponsored, by the way, so let's just put that out of the way. Not sponsored. Okay, and I've never done a wig review before, so I just wanted to do this for the first time because I just love the hair so much. And I also, when I got this, I got a gray short hair as well. I really didn't do a review for that because, like I said, I love wigs so much, but I've never actually done a review. That's crazy. So look at me, what you be doing? Maybe I need to start doing my wig reviews. I mean, I have so many of them. Why not, right? But anyway, so this is the first ever review. So if I'm not perfect, please don't persecute me. Okay, just bear with me, okay? So this is the pack. So this is the wig, fresh in the packaging. As you can see, it is TT blonde. All right. That's the name as well. And that's pretty much it in regards to packaging. Nothing really spectacular. I'm gonna insert a picture or a video of what the package looks like. Nothing fancy. I pretty much just pulled this out of this, so that's pretty much it. All right. It's really soft. See how my hand is just gliding through it, and it doesn't really shed, barely. You know, and I cut the lace off, good amount, like 2-3 inch of lace or something. I cut it off, and I really haven't done anything else to it. This is it, like, without really even trying too much. I did pluck out a few strands, maybe about 10 if we want to count, maybe about 10-ish. I actually didn't pluck it out. I pretty much just yanked it out with my hands. I don't have time for like the tweezer thing, so I just like pull out a few strands here and there because the part was already really good actually. So I just, you know, pulled out a few strands, and maybe it's still not the best right now, but I'm loving it though. Aren't you loving it? Just call me Marilyn. Okay, so this is the hair. It's really bouncy. All right, and this is the back as well. If you can see that. So that's the length in the back. Okay, I'm doing too much. All right, so that's it for the hair. If you have any questions, just leave it in a comment box. But I have some more coming, and maybe I'll start doing like wig reviews as well. You know what I'm saying? Why not? This is fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, right? So let's get into it. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Sukami London, so check me out on Instagram if you're not checking me out. Okay, check me out on there, and we'll keep in touch. Bye.